In this video, I'll show you how to block unwanted calls on WhatsApp. It's a very simple method, and it works on iPhone, Android, Samsung, and any other device. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open WhatsApp first. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Step 2. Go to Settings. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Tap on the Settings tab, usually the gear icon at the bottom right. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Step 4. Access call settings. Under the privacy settings, tap on calls. Step 5. Enable silence unknown callers. You'll see an option called Silence Unknown Callers. The description explains that calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still appear in your Calls tab and in your notifications, but your phone won't ring for them. Toggle this option on to enable it. Alternative method. Use Do Not Disturb. If you want to block all calls temporarily, you can also use your phone's built-in Do Not Disturb mode. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and tap the Do Not Disturb icon. That's it. Now, any calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp will be automatically silenced. You'll still see them in your call log, but they won't interrupt you. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching.